All right, everyone looking here. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Woo! They look so pretty, you guys. Awesome. You guys are looking great. Just going to get a couple more right there. All right, let's go ahead. We'll have you all turn in towards the bride and groom. Perfect. And guys, if you can do hands in pockets. Yep, just come in nice and close, come in nice and close. And for ladies, just hold your bouquets right here and then pop in that leg like this. Beautiful. Just come on in nice and close for me. You can, yeah. Oh, you're good. Keep scooting, keep scooting. And then, yeah. We're gonna do, oops, sorry. And guys over here, I'm gonna scoot you guys back one step just to keep you out of the sun. Yep, perfect. Beautiful. You guys look good. And then we'll have Karen and Austin just put your arms around each other in the middle right there. Yeah, cute, you guys. All right, everyone looking at my camera right here. Perfect. All right, everyone looking here. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Ladies on the side, go ahead and squeeze in just a little bit closer. Beautiful. Everyone looking right here. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Everyone go ahead and smile and laugh at each other for one. I promise it looks cute. Fun. So let's have Joanna. Let's have you come over on this side.
What happened? Over there?
Perfect. Yeah. And then we'll have you come over here, Hallie, on this side.
Whoa, Rachel. Watch your big
And then we're going to bring you over on this side. Perfect. Go ahead and just come on in next to her. Yep. Go ahead and come on in. Perfect. Come on in right there. Perfect, guys. All right, guys, let's put hands in pockets. Ladies, just holding that bouquets like this. Yeah, perfect. And let's have Karen and Austin, if you guys can hold hands in the middle right there. Yeah, cute. Everyone squeeze it nice and close. I promise it looks good. Just fill in all those empty gaps. Perfect. Keep on going. Perfect, guys. Awesome. All right, everyone looking right here. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect, you guys. One more time, smile and laugh at each other. I promise it looks good. Perfect. Beautiful. All right. So on the count of 3, let me fix this real quick.
table's down.
Still get it. So on the count of 3, I'm gonna have you guys have Karen and Austin kiss, and then you guys are gonna cheer for him. Like I want to hear noise. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys ready? And 1, 2, 3. All right, you guys ready? And 1, 2, 3. Woo! Awesome. Hands in pockets. Sweet. And let's actually take one step this way. Just even it out a little bit. Perfect. Oh, great, guys. And then we'll actually bring you one step away from the building. Perfect. Yes, love it. All right, let's have you both. Have everyone looking at my camera right here. Awesome, guys. Looking great. Let me just get a couple more right here. I'll have you guys go ahead and laugh at each other for one right there. You guys can look at each other. Perfect. Awesome. All right, now we're going to have all the groomsmen turn in towards Austin and then come in nice and close right there. Perfect. And let's go ahead and just make a straight line. So we'll keep you two in the end. We'll keep you back a little bit. And straight right here. Perfect. Come back. Go ahead and come back a little bit more. Awesome. Just make sure we're making a straight line here. So go ahead and scoot back on the end a little bit more. And back a little bit more. Awesome. And then we'll bring Austin towards me just a little bit. Yes. Perfect, guys. Sweet. Awesome. All right, we'll have you all looking at my camera right here. Perfect. Awesome. You guys are looking great. Just going to get a couple more right there. Everyone tell Austin how good he looks. Perfect. All right, and let's go ahead. Let's do a flying V now. So we're going to bring Austin right here. Bring it up a little bit. Yep, and then have everyone coming out from behind him. Go ahead and come in right here. And then you're going to bring your shoulder in right behind here. Perfect. Yeah, you got it. All right, let's go ahead and do hands in pockets for this one. Perfect. Awesome. You guys are doing great. All right, let's have everyone looking at my camera right here. Perfect, guys. Looking great. We're going to do just one. We're just going to have slight smile, so just like a little bit more serious for this one. At my camera right here. Perfect, guys. Just going to get a couple more, and then everyone go ahead and smile at my camera right here for one. Perfect. All right, then let's do some of you guys walking towards me like this. Perfect. Yeah. Guys, this looks great. Awesome.
Good boy. Wow, you guys are so good.
Oh my gosh. That was great, you guys. You guys are fast. Those bouquets here. Beautiful. Have you all come in nice and close for me right here? And then pop those legs closest to me. Beautiful. Awesome. All right, everyone go ahead and smile at my camera right here. Perfect. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm just going to get one more right back here. Go ahead and come in nice and close on both sides for me. Perfect. Oh, you ladies look so good. Let me just get one more right up here. Perfect. And go ahead and smile and laugh at each other for one. So cute. Perfect. Okay. Can I have you come over here now? Do you mind taking a couple of her?
She looks so cute.
She does. All right, everyone go ahead and come in nice and close. And that hand in the back, go ahead and put it around the person next to you. Perfect. Yep, and then popping those legs closest to me. Beautiful. Go ahead. Got a little bit of a... Awesome. All right, everyone looking at my camera right here. Beautiful ladies. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, and 3. Gorgeous. Go ahead and smile and laugh at each other for one. Cute. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to have you guys bring your bouquets in nice and close so I just can get it up close. Yeah, just hold them by your sides here. Yes. Beautiful. No, you're good. That was my fault. Oh, looks so pretty. Yeah, just looking down at your bouquets right there. Yeah. Cute. They look so pretty, you guys. I love